Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here on YOUCANIC we have a 2014 Toyota Highlander, and on this Toyota Highlander we're going to go over how you would replace the tail lights on your Toyota Highlander. So we've got the outer tail lights here, which this is a tail light and a brake light built in. This is your blinker, and this is your inner tail light, and this is just a tail light and your reverse light right there. So we're going to go over how you'd replace these bulbs. So to start with, you're going to need to pop the trunk hatch and let it raise up. And so once it's up, there's two number 10 bolts that go right here. You're going to want to remove those. And once you've removed those bolts, then you're just going to apply some pressure here, rock your light element a little bit, and be able to pull it away from the vehicle. Okay, and then with it away, you've got a connector right here that's just holding the wire to the vehicle, and we'll undo that one too. So here, this is the top one, and that is your bulb for the brake light and tail light. So turn that a quarter turn to the left to remove, and then we pull that light bulb out, and this is a 7443, so we would get a new 7443 and then reinsert and snap it into place, and then lock that bulb in. So that's how you replace the outer tail light on your 2014 Toyota Highlander. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.